In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a promotion on LinkedIn. If you've recently moved into a new role at the same company, it's a good idea to update your profile the right way so your career progression looks clear and professional. Instead of simply editing your old job title, LinkedIn lets you add the promotion as a new position, which creates a clean, stacked layout under the same company. That makes it much easier for recruiters, colleagues, and potential clients to see your growth at a glance. To get started, go to your LinkedIn homepage and navigate to your profile. You can do this by clicking your profile picture or the Me icon in the top right corner, then selecting View Profile. Once you're on your profile page, scroll down until you find the Experience section. This is where all of your current and previous roles are listed. In the Experience section, click the plus icon on the right side and choose Add Position. This is the key step because adding a new position rather than editing the old one helps LinkedIn display your promotion properly. It keeps your work history organized and shows a natural timeline of advancement within the same company. Now enter the details of your new role. Start with your new job title and make sure it matches how you want it to appear publicly. Then, for the company name, select the exact same company from the drop-down that you used for your previous role. This part is especially important. If you type in a variation or choose a different listing, LinkedIn may treat it as a separate company instead of linking both roles together. Next, enter the start date for your promotion and select the option indicating that you are currently working in this role. After that, fill in your work location and choose the workplace type, such as remote, hybrid, or on-site. These details help keep your profile complete and accurate. Then make sure your previous role is properly closed out. You can do this by checking the box that says End Current Position as of now, or by manually entering the end date for your old role. This prevents overlapping dates, which can make your Experience section look confusing. If you'd like LinkedIn to share the update with your connections, turn on the Share with Network option. If you'd rather update your profile quietly, simply leave that switch off. Once everything looks correct, click Save. Your promotion should now appear neatly under the same company, clearly showing your progression. This small update can make a big difference in how polished and credible your profile looks.